So in this video, we are looking at the figure of 8 with the hip, which I call the 8-winder, and the arm. So we're going to lead that into a full sidewinder. So this is the 8-winder. It's a stylization or a very particular signature move, if you like, that I have in tribal from a trap, which is my style tribal fusion, and it's going to build then into the full sidewinder. So for me, in my school, a full sidewinder is the arms, the particular arm pattern, whether it's small or whether it's very big, and chest figure of 8, and taxine, all combined into one movement, which will make it a full, what I would call a full sidewinder. There are many ways to do sidewinders, many stylizations. I have quite a few in my school that I teach. I'm just sharing with you one of them that I have. And again, in my classes, I break things down significantly more. And if you do the online classes or come to my classes in person, you will learn much, much, much more than here. But let's get started with something, right? So you have the hips first. So warm up first, please. If it's the first video and you're trying to learn a sidewinder, and this is the first video you've come across for whatever reasons, I strongly advise you go back to the beginning of the series. This is the Tribal from the Trap series. If you go back to the beginning and you learn each component, and it'll make significantly more sense, okay? So anyway, we're gonna miss out the arms, we're gonna skip all of that, and we're gonna go straight into the hips. So taxine. I think this might also be in the my figure of 8 series, because taxine is a figure of 8. It's like an infinity sign, so sideways on figure of 8. Let's go over it real quick, and then we're gonna put it together with the chest. Okay, so we're gonna slide on the left. Maybe it's your right if you're mirroring me. I'm gonna keep my heel down for the moment. Then I'm gonna push up and lift my left heel. Oh, let me try to go a little further back so you can see. I lift my left heel, this is my left heel. And I'm gonna cascade and come through to the opposite hip. And then at that point, my left heel is gonna go down, my right heel is gonna go up, and I'm gonna lift the right hip, and then I'm gonna cascade through. So it becomes a never-ending figure of 8 motion through the hips and engaging all of the muscles of your torso, particularly these muscles here, keeping your abdominals in, but not sucked in, not pulled in, engaged, chest lifted, the famous cobra neck we talk about a lot in my school, so we keep the neck really long. And then we really cascade those hips. We make a figure of 8 motion. And we roll the feet. This movement is also very similar to a movement called hula, or hula in Ori Tahiti, which is Tahitian dance. It's something else that I teach. What I'm doing here is different. It's very similar, but it's different. And we call this the taxine in BellyDance. Okay, so if you're interested in other styles of dance, I do loads, so you can learn a lot from me. Anyway, you move the hips. Okay, so we scoop those hips from side to side. Keep your chest lifted as well, keep your shoulders down. All right, now let's go into the chest figure of 8, which again is broken down in my figure of 8 series. So go look at that first, and then come back to this one. I'm not gonna break it down here, I'm just gonna do it. So, we go down, out, and up, down, out, and up, down, out, and up. Down, out, and up. Yes. Now, if you have a little bit of tribal fusion experience, or not, and you want to give it a go, we can let our hands come to the side and give them a little bit of life. The focus wants to be in the chest, though, because that's the focus of the movement. The arms like ornamentation, which is like frills. Yeah, so we're just like decorating the movement with a little bit of hands, a little bit of arms, but the main focus is here. Keep your neck, up. And all of the music that I use in my videos is by Tribal from the Trap as well. That music is available everywhere. You can get it on iTunes, Google Play, YouTube, Spotify, everywhere. So check it out. The website is tribalfromthetrap.com. And it's really awesome stuff. If you want to look at some music videos of myself and my dancers, my hero girls, we have some music videos on YouTube as well, under Tribal from the Trap, or even on my page, so you can look at those if you like. And move the chest. And chest. Okay. So what we're gonna do, with the 8-winder, which is a signature move to tribal from a trap, we alternate chest and hips, one after the other. So let's start with 4 chests into 4 hips, and we'll slowly decrease the amount, okay? So I'm gonna go back a little bit so you can see. All right, so from here, we just bend. Let's just put the arms out. So this is my right, maybe show left, depending on which way you're facing. 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna pick up this hip. And I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna go into the right with the chest. Right, left. Keep your neck right, left, and then left, right, left, right, and then chest, 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 hips. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do it in 2s. 1, 2, and 1, 2. I like to put a little impulse there on this bit. You don't have to, it's just something that I like to do. Stylization, right? Left and 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Also in this series, I'll be teaching more signature moves from tribal from a trap as well. So the hips, hips, with the chest, chest. Really snake it. I advise you to go nice and low. Make sure that you're not sticking your bottom out like a duck. Also, you'll get bad back and backache doing it like that. So posture is essential. Off we go. 1, 2, 1. And there's many ways you can flavor this one as well. But for the moment, let's just stay with the hips and chest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so that, people, is my 8-winder. What we're gonna do, but then that leads you into the movement, which then comes into the arms with the full Sidewinder. So we're gonna look at that next in another video. So if you wanna revive, rewind, go through it, go for it as much as you wish. Yeah, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want any comments, go below. Any special requests, write below as well, and I will do my best to accommodate in future videos. In the meantime, check out my website, BellyDance.com. You can come to my classes, I'll take my online classes. They're actually courses, so you get to train with me properly each week. Anyway,